This video will show cleaning and maintenance for the buffer filler system. The filler should be cleaned every time it has been used with buffer. We will also show some of the menus that allows you to make changes to the settings for the filler. At the conclusion of your experiment, go into the filler menu, turn the pump off. We will now exchange the bottle with the buffer for an empty bottle. Turn the pump on. We will now empty all of the chambers of the buffer that they have. And then to empty all of the lines, we will do a complete fill on all channels. There will be air in all the lines at this moment, but the lines still have residual buffer in them. We will need to flush thoroughly with water. You can turn the pump off again. Remove the empty bottle. Add a few hundred milliliters of distilled water to another bottle. Replace the pump into this bottle with distilled water. You can then turn the pump on again. Now distilled water has been cycling through the filler. You can use the auto function to let the filler clean itself. Press all auto in the filler menu. DMT recommends you do at least 6 water washes. It is imperative that you do a thorough cleaning with water after each experiment. DMT only recommends that you use distilled water to clean the system. Do not use any acids. This can damage the internal membranes. After you have done an appropriate number of water washes, stop the pump. Replace the bottle with an empty one and turn the pump on again. You can press auto one more time. This will run and empty all of the lines of the remaining water. At the conclusion, you can turn off the pump. You can also turn off the heat. This will conclude the daily cleaning of the buffer filler. You can access the filler submenus by going to Settings and then Filler Settings. You can change the low volume and the high volume in these menus. You will select the appropriate menu and you will change all of them. So highlight all and change this to whatever volume you would choose. Make sure you press enter. Hit the red X to leave the menu. This will be the same for high volume. You can also change how many auto washes occur when you press auto in the filler menu. It is currently set to 3, but if you want to change this, you will select all and change the number of wash counts. Make sure you select enter. There is also a filler temp menu. This menu allows you to change the temperature set point for the filler. There is a probe inside the filler which is giving a constant reading. More information can be found on the DMT website under the Resources tab, where you can find training videos as well as detailed information in the Buffer Filler User Guide.